G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the Amazon Basics Gaming Mousepad. Now this is a black mousepad from Amazon's own label of products. So it comes rolled up in the box, and pulling that out, we've got our mousepad, which is a pretty decent size for gaming on. We also have cleaning instructions. So it's actually saying it's safe to be hand washed in cold water only, but don't bleach it, don't tumble dry, don't iron it, don't dry clean it. Okay, we've got this matte material finish on top of the mouse pad with a rubberized back on it. So this is quite a nice looking mouse pad, and that rubberized finish really does stick it onto the desk really nicely. It's not moving around at all there. And the mouse, I've got a Logitech MX Master 3 on here, and it just glides on it. It is a really smooth mouse pad. As you can see, the mouse actually with a bit of momentum will keep going fairly well on its own, and it doesn't take a lot to do that. That's just how easy it glides on here. So I feel like it's a really nice mouse pad. It definitely stays well, and the mouse is really easy to use on it. It feels really nice. So in terms of measurements, it's about 12.5 inches, which is about 31.5 centimeters wide. And it's about 10.6 inches high, which is just under 27 centimeters. Looks like we're at about 26.8 centimeters or 268 millimeters high. Now in terms of branding, as you can see, the only branding on this is the Amazon Basics logo down in the bottom right-hand corner. I'd personally like it if it didn't have any branding on the top, just because it draws your eye to it and makes you want to read it and so on. I mean, it is a really nice mousepad, but obviously every brand wants to stick their logo on their products, and that is fine. So I really like it. So that is the Amazon Basics Gaming Mousepad in black with rubberized backing. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye for now.